Hello everybody, thank you for watching. We've got a lot completed since last time. I don't have any scaffolding around here anymore. And got like a farm style front door put on. And I made these hinges not from any kind of special tools to make it look nice, but I used an angle grinder, a real angle grinder, and started just cutting it meticulously. I made it to look like it was like wrought iron cut out with a chisel while it's hot, but I don't have any of that kind of stuff. You know, this door is really heavy. I don't have any of the handles on it right now. But yeah, as you can see, it's like 3 inches thick. Like I said it would be. 3-point set up there. And it's heavy, so it feels heavy when you're closing it. And I did that because I don't want anyone to be able to just kick the door down to enter the place. It's got to be like a fortified Fort Knox. Man's home is his castle. So it should look like one. And this is just the living room. I might call it the house, but this is only like the bottom floor. It's going to have a little kitchen over there. So we got PVC for the sink, which I covered because of mice. I don't want going in there and habitating. Pouring concrete in there, all around here. And back where we started. And in here, wood floor when I'm done. Kind of taking a break from putting in the concrete floor because I got to run wiring all around here. I put in outlets. I mean, I got like outlets that I can never use because someone came in and ripped the wiring out, and I didn't. For some reason, I thought that wouldn't be possible because it's in concrete, but it's got these little conduits, so it was able to pull out frictionlessly. I guess I'm just going to put covers on there. I knew there was a lot of these up here. That's one of the challenges is making it so I don't get stuff stolen. And this is going to be where the bathroom door goes. Got the jam wood put in here. We're going to build a door here. It'll be lighter, but basically just like this. Digging out a bathroom here. And stuff is not soft. Sabino, how easy is this?
It's pretty darn easy.
What?
Sorry, it's pretty hard.
Yeah. Just cut more in there because right here I don't want it to go any further in for now. Because in here, I'm going to put more foundation to hold the floor for the bathroom here. Which isn't going to be the same as that. Bathroom is going to, a lot of it I'm going to use steel studs just like up in there. Just like up in there. Steel studs, 16 inches apart, rectangular tubing. Oh, I'm so happy I built this. Hamburgers. And all these vent holes work really good. When I close this, the smoke has to travel through the grill and around the meat. Little plants are coming up in here. I got an onion and 2 garlics. Under this native plant, which I think is beautiful, so I didn't pull it out. Very little water is going on. Naturally, the rain is stopped for now. I'm basically walking on the neighbor's yard right now. In the future, I can just walk up here, here, and up into there, which is where my property... Actually, this line right here is basically a delineation if you follow it up to the house. Since last time I put in another orange tree, which has some oranges on it. Little orange. Bigger orange, little orange. Another apple tree that looks, when I was buying it, I said it looks dead. And they told me, no, it's not dead. It's just this time of year it doesn't produce any leaves. But I told them, well, my apple tree produces leaves. Look at my apple tree. I think this is okay that it's growing another branch, but all these leaves on here. But theirs didn't. I've got it anyway. A lot of times when I buy trees or something, they're not 100% perfect. And this is the mandarin orange. I might put a second mandarin orange up here so that there can be cross-pollination between two orange trees. Some of my garlic is getting big. And Sabino gave me seeds for some cantaloupes. And they're starting to come up. Even though the soil is dry and I only water every 3 days or so. So look, if you got challenges, don't tell yourself it can't be done. I can't do it. I'm too old. I'm too sick. I don't have enough motivation. You know, I've got some problems too. I have, man, I've been in, my body is just worn out. I have pain from an accident that I was in. It never stops. It never stops. And I keep working. I don't make much money. I don't have much money. I've never really been able to buy into the whole work hard and make lots of money because that's what life's all about, baloney. Because when I have more money, I didn't really know what to do with it. I mean, that might sound stupid, because when you're poor, you know exactly what to do with your money. But other than the things that you would lust after, I didn't know what to do with my money. Let's just put it that way. Not that I'm older, I do, but still, it doesn't hold much appeal. I want more and need more substance, money. But I'm trying to learn how to live without it because it's a failing system. Haven't you ever noticed that things cost more, but you don't make more? If you make a little bit more, the prices rise way higher. Well, that's why I wouldn't recommend that you store money in the bank. Well, I got so-and-so $1,000 in the bank and such and such stored away. Well, that money that you have stored away, if it's in cash, is just becoming worthless. What do I do then? I would store enough money on hand for an emergency, a couple $1,000, and do the rest in gold, silver, and Bitcoin, and food and water, especially food and water for you. Because the system totally fails. You're not going to be hungry for gold and silver. You're going to be, and no one's going to want it. Hardly anyone. So that's what you're going to have to do is get all the things that are going to be hard to get during an emergency, and don't hide them in your own house. If you get your house broken into, chances are somebody knows what you do, and they're going to break into your house. Don't know. You've got it hidden. Let's just tear everything apart till we have it. And you'll have a destroyed house and you'll be ripped off. So think outside of the box and be creative. Now is the time before it's too late. And keep prayed up, everybody. Thank you for watching.